안녕하세요 여러분, Sienna here. Today I'm going to teach you how to say the word grandma in Korean. There are 3 ways to say grandma in Korean. You can use these 3 ways to talk about your grandmother as well as address your grandmother. These words will also be useful when you're talking about someone else's grandmother. Keep in mind that Korean titles are very important. They can convey respect as well as relationships. Therefore, the titles in Korean that have to do with relationships and family are generally more complex than in English. I'll explain everything you need to know. Let's get to it! The first way to say grandma in Korean is 할머니. 할머니 is the standard version of the word. That means it's a common way of saying grandma that is also polite. You can also use this word in both formal and informal Korean sentences. For example, 오늘 우리 할머니 생신이에요. This means today is my grandmother's birthday. 할머니 is also used to refer to an elder, not just your grandparents. But if you're unsure if the woman is old enough to be a grandmother, use the word 아줌마 to be polite. 아줌마 is similar to saying miss or ma'am in English. Using the word 아줌마 for a woman means you think she's younger than a 할머니 or grandmother. Unlike English, there are different words used to refer to your grandma on your father's side and on your mother's side. Before I proceed with those words, I just want to let you know that we have a resource page on how to say grandma in Korean. I'll put a link to it in the description below. The second way to say grandma in Korean is 외할머니. This is used to refer to your grandma on your mother's side. For example, 우리 외할머니는 한국에 사세요. This means my grandmother lives in Korea. 외 is added to words for your family and relatives on your mother's side. For example, 외가 means family, 외삼촌 means uncle, and 외숙모 means aunt. All of these mean family, uncle, and aunt on your mother's side. The third way to say grandma in Korean is 친할머니. 친할머니 means grandmother on your father's side. For example, 우리 친할머니는 건강하세요. This means my grandma on my father's side is healthy. 친 is usually added to your family and relatives on your father's side. For example, 친가 means family on dad's side. However, 할머니 can be a comprehensive word that you can use for grandma. This means you can simply use 할머니 for the grandma on your mother's side and on your father's side. To sum it up, the 3 ways to say grandma in Korean are 할머니, 외할머니, and 친할머니. Now you know 3 ways to say grandma in Korean. If you have questions about these words, feel free to post them in the comments below. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to get updated with our latest Korean videos. 다음에 봐요!